Here's the seacock mocked up. Here's our block feed right here. So this is going to sit here. Water will come in through this barb fitting there. Water will enter the block. I'm going to have that plate with the nipple. This will be threaded into the block. Water will enter the block here. Some of the water is going to bypass into the exhaust to cool the exhaust riser here, exhaust manifold. And then the water from the block, I'm going to cut this off and braze a plate in there, thread it again, put another one of these nipples in here, and then have another line running back, exiting the thermostat housing and entering the exhaust 180 degrees from where the exhaust...
It's right here, right?
Huh?
Is this it?
No.
No, what?
On the exhaust pipe.
Oh, you're welding a new bung on it?
Yeah, weld another bung in.
Got it, okay. Alright, cool.
And then this will be, this comes in to the boat at 1.25 inches. But this cheap shitty, it got so brittle and hard in the cold you can hardly bend it. And it doesn't even fit our 1.25 inches, like it's
That's ridiculous.
completely loose. We could just block this off. Block that off entirely. Put our water feed in where the pump used to be. And then it would look pretty nice, I think. It would look like this. This would be here. Out about yay far. It wouldn't interfere with our V-belt, and the pump's going to be right here.
Yeah. Could be nice.
And then you just have a run from there to there.
Yeah. That'd work nice.
It just kind of tidies up the side of the motor. Not that this isn't tidy.
Right. Right. Cleaning out dog food.
Lots of it.
It's so gross.
Yeah, I mean we can map that out.
That's pretty crusty, huh?
Yeah, it's not terrible. Be nice to keep it as a spare for the truck.
Yeah, good idea. Yep.
What's it say? Concentric England.
Sweet.
But yeah, we'll make a plate.
All right, let's do it. Oh, it's picking the truck up.
But look, the Suburban.
Oh my god.
Is off the ground. So you think it'll lift that motor?
I'd say it'll lift the motor.
There's something else.
That's insane. That's so cool. So, I wasn't here when you finished this up. Give me a quick rundown on. So you put this on here so you could so that it would lift itself, right?
Yeah,
Correct.
It'll lift itself, and also it's a mechanism for storage.
Oh, because it soars upright.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet. What do you do? Put it in the end?
Hooks into the end there, yeah.
A little more. Oh, I got it. Got it. Dang.
So if you wanted to pick the truck up right off the ground, you go about like that.
Oh, you're gonna tighten your chains.
Take that.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Dude! Oh. Oh my god.
Winch out, please. Winch in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
So show me how you routed the electrical hookup for the battery. You just went right into the battery box, right?
Yeah.
That's easy, man.
Just grounded it to
To the frame.
Frame of the crane, yeah.
Beautiful. That's sweet. Yeah.
Doesn't really get any simpler than that.
No.
I mean,
It didn't take us long to build it either.
no. And the fact that you can pick up the back end of a Suburban that weighs,
I don't know.
probably
Who knows?
it's got probably 1,000 pounds of equipment in it.
Yeah, it's ass.
And there's a
Paint.
bunch of parts in between the driver's seat and the passenger seat, so yeah, I don't know. It's hard to predict how much the back of this weighs, but it weighs a lot.
Yeah. It's cool. All right. be a trick. Okay.
Yeah, glad it holds it.
Yeah, me too. I got it here.
I'm gonna be able to swing it out through the door. How we doing? Be sweet if we could put this up on the workbench now. Certainly doesn't seem to have any trouble lifting it.
No.
You can lower it and lift it pretty controllably. Let me pull it out of there and see. Be great when we can finally get this all wire wheeled and painted.
Yep. Certainly doesn't struggle, does it? That's great. You can see that beautiful oil pan. Just gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Some oil there. Is that
Leaking right there.
pan? Yeah.
It's no big deal. Pan's got a hell of a dinger in it right there.
Yeah, it does.
start working on that other hole.
You want the back then?
Yeah.
Three-eighths tap, right?
Yeah, there's a brand new one right here. Sorry.
It's all good.